lesson is lesson number 15. सबसे बढ़कर हम. We are the best. बातों बातों में सजीव और निर्जीव से आप क्या समझते हैं? सजीव means living और निर्जीव is non-living. So what do you understand by living things and non-living things? Okay, we all have studied this in science. It's the same one. Alpin, कुर्सी, जूते सजीव है या निर्जीव? So alpin, chair, shoes are they living or non-living? मानव अपने अंगों से भिन्न भिन्न काम कर सकता है, इसलिए सबसे श्रेष्ठ कहलाता है. मानव means human being. अंग is body parts. So human can perform different acts with his body parts. That's why he is the best. सबसे श्रेष्ठ means best. We'll start the chapter. Alpin के सिर होता, पर बाल न उस पर होता एक. Alpin means, have you seen this alpin? So on the head of the alpin has the head, but it doesn't have the hairs. कुर्सी के दो बाहें हैं, पर गेंद नहीं सकती है फेंक. तो chair has two arms. Chair has two arms, but can it throw the ball? It cannot throw the ball. कंघी के हैं दांत मगर वह चबा नहीं सकती है खाना. कंघी has teeth, but it cannot chew food. गला सुराही का है पतला, किंतु न गा सकती गाना. So सुराही's neck is thin, but it cannot sing song. होता है मुंह बड़ा घड़े का, पर वह बोल नहीं सकता. घड़ा means सुराही has thin neck and घड़ा has thick one. Although the shape a little differs. होता है मुंह बड़ा घड़े का means the mouth of घड़ा is big, but can he speak? He cannot. चार पांव टेबल के होते, पर वह डोल नहीं सकता. Means table has four legs, but still it cannot dance. So alpin के सिर नहीं होता. See, alpin doesn't have head, but doesn't have hairs. We have that. Chair has two arms, but it cannot throw ball. But we can do that. कंघी के हैं दांत मगर वह चबा नहीं सकती है खाना. So it has teeth, but it cannot chew food. We can do that. And the surahi's neck is thin, but it cannot sing song. We can do that. घड़े का मुंह बड़ा है, पर वो बोल नहीं सकता. He cannot speak. We can speak. Table has four legs, but it cannot dance. We have two legs, but still we can dance. जूते के है जीभ मगर वह स्वाद नहीं चख सकता है. Shoes has the tongue, but can it taste food? आंखें होते हुए नारियल कभी न कुछ लग सकता है. Coconut has eyes, but it cannot see anything. लग सकना means cannot see. है मनुष्य के पास सभी कुछ, ले सकता है सबसे काम, इसलिए दुनिया में सबसे बढ़कर है उसका ही नाम. है मनुष्य के पास सभी कुछ means human has everything, और and he can work with everything means all the body parts, and that's why the human is the best in the world.